Hello everyone, today we are using I am with action verbs and sentences. I am running down the street. Running. I am hanging the wet clothes. Hanging. I am dancing on my favorite song. Dancing. I am reading a book about adventure. Reading. I am writing a letter to my friend. Writing. I am painting a beautiful landscape. Painting. I am playing saucer with my team. Playing. I am singing a happy tune. Singing. I am cleaning the window of my room. Cleaning. I am swimming in the pool. Swimming. I am hiking up a mountain trail. Hiking. I am driving to the beach. Driving. I am going to the birthday party with my friends. Going. I am enjoying car racing with my friend. Enjoying. I am waiting my school bus. Waiting. I am watering the plants. Watering. I am walking with my dog in the park. Walking. I am raking the backyard. Raking. I am flying a kite. Flying. I am riding a bicycle through the woods. Riding. I am practicing yoga poses. Practicing. I am playing the guitar loudly. Playing. I am acting in a school play. Acting. I am learning about English language. Learning. I am tired of my work. Tired. I am mopping the floor. Mopping. I am enjoying with her. Enjoying. I am speaking in front of large audience. Speaking. I am meditating in a peaceful spot. Meditating. I am volunteering at a local charity. Volunteering. I am baking cookies for a birthday party. Baking. I am playing tennis with my sister. Playing. I am decorating the house for a party. Decorating. I am eating healthy meal with my family. Eating. I am drinking coconut milk to improve my health. Drinking. I am washing the dishes. Washing. I am rinsing my face. Rinsing. I am ironing my clothes. Ironing. I am helping my mother in kitchen. Helping. I am having fun with my friends. Having. I am arranging the clothes in my cupboard. Arranging. I am folding my blanket. Folding. I am serving food to my grandma. Serving. I am cutting some veggies. Cutting. I am learning about baking. Learning. I am vacuuming the room. Vacuuming. I am combing my hair. Combing. I am doing laundry. Doing. I am going to school by school bus. Going. I am holding books. Holding. I am drinking milk for breakfast. Drinking. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos. Thank you.